Hello everyone, I am Nitin. So today we are going to present a video that is related to digital component twin, and we have prepared this video specifically for the startup challenge of GRSE, that is gains. So some of the terminologies may be related to GRSE only or the shipyard only. So what is a digital component twin? Like in today's shipbuilding industry, while the ship is being constructed, the hull is prepared, and after that there are a lot of equipments that are being installed there. These equipment used to have onboard spares or depot spares. They used to have details of routines, their design documents. They used to have details related to their MTBF, MTBR, and all those details, if they are collected in the required manner and being is provided to end user or with the shipyard, we will be in a better position to manage our supply chain and to keep these platforms ops in the coming days with a bare minimum cost. So this is the ultimate motive of this application. This is as such a web-based application. The ultimate motive is to have those data points with us at all points, and further those data points has to be provided by OEM, and they can directly log in the application and they can provide the data point, and the shipyard can validate that. So this is a kind of a web-based application where we will be having different users and they will be feeding their data directly. So as we know, data is the blood of today's operations, and we have data at variety of places like contracts and ATMs and drawings and design documents, and everywhere data is there. So we just want this data to be collated in a application. This data is related to payment also. As such, for shipyard they are charging for it, and also at many points if this data is not available on time, then the OEMs are not getting their payment released in time. So these are some of the benefits that I have listed here. So this whole tool will increase the efficiency in planning, in procurement, in integrated supply chain management, and it will ensure a greater trust in the shipyard, and the return on investment will be in the form of cost saving on manpower and having a good relationship with our vendor base and our customer base. So the proposed solution that we are giving is a digital component twin. So the major features will be, it will be an internet-based application where a user will be authorized to log in. User will be feeding data in a predefined fields, and this data will be validated by the shipyard. This data will be available for the end user also to import in their ERP systems, and they can have this data and they can plan their material accordingly, which can help them in their operationability. So either will be MIS for real-time information also, and as such it will be a thing that will be bringing back the confidence in terms of data for the end user in the shipyards. So there are many advantages that we can think of, and some of the advantages are listed here. Like, it will be a digital component twin which can be converted to digital asset twin, then to digital process twin. And this data is something that we have discussed can have numerous advantages if it is used in the manner it can be. So this is the methodology that we are using. This is just a we can say a diagram kind of thing to show that there will be a platform, there will be some departments. In every department there will be equipment, then some OEM and supplier, and we will be having a component part list, and that part list will be having different attributes. Those attributes will be captured, they will be provided by OEM, that will be fed by OEM in predefined fields in the form of Excel or something like that we can discuss, and finally that will be available to shipyard can use that, and further the end user can use that. It will help in vendor rating, it will help in maintenance, it will help in total cost of ownership, identification of a specific equipment. It can help in numerous ways that we can't imagine. Like, so in a short duration of these 3 or 4 minutes, I have explained some of the basic idea, and hopes the idea that I have put up will be relevant for the shipyard. Thank you.